Maha Siddiqui is joining us from outside Parliament, tracking all the developments as we see this legislation come up in the Rajya Sabha today. Maha, good morning. Clearly questions being asked right now, the Congress and the BJP coming together in the manner in which they did yesterday to get this bill passed in the Lok Sabha. Are there any blockages in the way in the Rajya Sabha, or are we not going to see the parties that supported this bill in the Lok Sabha put any hurdles today in the upper house?
Very good morning, Ruchika. Yes, we are likely to see chaotic scenes today as well in the upper house when the bill is likely to be introduced today. However, as you were pointing out, there are conspiracy theories that were doing the round that the BJP and the Congress had joined hands to pass this bill, because after we saw one faction of the BJP, somebody as senior as LK Advani, making it clear to Kamal Nath, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, that he does not want the bill passed in din. We saw the leader of opposition, Sushma Swaraj, going ahead and making her speech amidst the din that we saw in the Lok Sabha yesterday. So much so that the proceedings, the telecast had to be cut off from Lok Sabha television because the suspended Seemandra MPs were trying to get into the house even though they were suspended and not allowed to do so. But Ruchika, in the upper house, at least today we may see that the opposition BJP and the left, many of them like Sitaram Yechuri of the upper house, have already made it clear that the way in which it was bulldozed and the way that the telecast was not on Lok Sabha TV is a wrong approach. Sushma Swaraj had even tweeted about it later in the evening, because we understand that some of the members of parliament who were inside the house were not aware that the telecast was cut off. So they were pretty miffed about it. And today at 9:30, when the BJP parliamentary party meets, it is possible that the BJP communicates to the government that they would want some semblance of order in the upper house, which they couldn't achieve in the lower house. However, Ruchika, it is pretty much clear now that the BJP is on board and the bill will see the light of the day, will be passed by the Rajya Sabha as well, even if the government has to bulldoze its way through even in the upper house. But chaotic scenes can definitely not be ruled out.